In this video, we're going to look at another Objective-C example, and this is one of the problem and solution example where I give you a problem and you try and see if you can provide a solution to the program before you look at the solution I provide. So you should try and write this program yourself, because by writing this program you actually become more proficient, you become more good at writing programs, because you have to use your own head to think rather than just you can understand all the theory, you can understand everything I'm doing on the screen, but until you actually make some mistake yourself to actually try out the code and type out the code, you will not learn anything about programming. No matter how smart you are, you actually have to write this code yourself. So the problem here is to create a vending machine that offers this option. So when the vending machine starts, it's going to give you this option: 1 for Coke, 2 for Fanta, 3 for beer, 4 for milkshake, 5 for whiskey, and 6 to quit. So the program must continuously allow the user the program must continue to allow the user to select from these options until the user quits the program by pressing option 6. When the user makes a choice, e.g. by selecting option 3, the program should respond by saying, "Here is your can of beer." And when a number is pressed that is not between 1 and 6, there should be a message that comes up telling the user to press option 1 to 6 only. And if the option 6 is pressed, the program should terminate with a goodbye message. So what I'll give you a clue. What you should use here is you should use a do while loop. We've mentioned the do while loop. So by using the do while loop, you'll be able to say, while the choice that the user select is not, basically you will say do, then you put all this code inside it that display all this message, and then you use I don't know if I should give you all the tips. Anyway, you need to use a do while loop, you need to use a switch statement, and then basically that's it. I'm going to show you how the program is run now, but try and see if you can do it by yourself by using a do while loop and a switch statement to see if you can accomplish it. So pause the video now and see if you can actually create the program yourself. So don't cheat, pause the video now. Anyway, let's look at the program. So this is what it is. As you can see here, I type everything inside a do. This is a do at the top, and this is the while, the last while statement at the bottom. So I created a variable int, which I call choice. So this is the one that is going to store the choice that the person pressed on the keyboard. And then I print out all this stuff using the simple nslog statement. So Coke, Fanta, milkshake, and so on and so forth. Then I tell the user to choose from option 1 to 6. Then I use the scanf routine to actually store whatever the user press. I store it inside a choice. Then I use a switch statement to find out. You can also use the if statement. The if else statement is also perfect. So I use the switch statement to go through to determine what was pressed on the keyboard. If the choice equals to 1, I want to tell the person, here's your Coke. Don't forget the break statement. Then if the choice that the person select is 2, here's your Fanta. 3 is your beer. 4, here's your milkshake. 5, here's your Pepsi. If the person key in 6, and I will give them the message goodbye and have a great day. Default, remember the default is used to catch every other errors. So if they press anything else other than 1 to 6, I'm going to tell them that you have entered a wrong choice, 1 to 6 only. And then the while at the bottom will say, as long this choice, as long what the person press is not equals to 6, as long as not equals to 6, we continue to be repeating all this. We continue to be displaying this information on the terminal, on the program terminal. But if the person press option 6, that means this do while loop will exit. That means we will not print this information again. That means the program has terminated. Let's run it and actually see what it looks like. So if we run the program, let's put it to the top. So as you can see, the program, a do while loop must be executed at least once. So our program has executed at least once. So now let's put a choice. Let's say we put a choice of 1. Then it said here is your Coke. Then the program is, the loop is repeated again. So let's press option 2. It said here is your Fanta. Option 3. It said here is your beer. Option 4. Here is your milkshake. Option 5. Here is your Pepsi, and option 6. It said goodbye and have a great day. As you can see, as soon as it says goodbye and have a great day, the loop is terminated. So it shows here that our program was run at least once, and it can run thousands of times, because until you press the option 6, the program will continue to loop. So this is why we say while loop is for 0 or more times, and the do while loop is 1 or more times. So let's run our program again, and this time we're going to press option other than 1 to 6. We're going to press option 7, and it said you have entered a wrong choice, 1 to 6 only. So let's see if that works. Let's press 8, the same error. Let's press 12, same error. Let's press 5. Say here's your Pepsi. Let's press 6. Goodbye and have a good day. So the program is working fine, and this is how you can write a simple program by using a do while loop to actually loop through it. So I hope the this example has clarified how you can use do while loop in your everyday program. And if you have any question, if you don't get it, if you have any question that is not clear, if anything is not clear, just drop me a comment and I'll try and reply. Have a great day.